The always showing signs of change crypto scene can make it trying and mistaking for new financial backers to enter the market and bet on the best coins. While Bitcoin and Ethereum keep on being the top-level crypto coins, they are out of the compass of another financial backer. In this way, they would need to zero in on different crypto coins with a lower cost. The most basic thing with regards to putting resources into crypto coins is to recognize the best ones that can possibly fill from here on out. In the wake of distinguishing those crypto coins, you want to direct broad examination and do a specialized investigation to know the choice about whether to put resources into them. Since Ethereum and Bitcoin have a higher worth, you want to find a crypto coin that has a lower cost, like DOGELON. This crypto coin has turned into a top decision for individuals who are fanatics of dogecoin and Elon Musk. According to a speculation perspective, it can see an ascent before long. We will examine the conceivable worth of the crypto coin in the following couple of years, give you a total value examination, and give you a viewpoint, so you can choose whether or not to put resources into the dogecoin. Elon outline. Dogecoin is an image coin that entered the market after the bull run of the Doge, all through 2021. The name dogecoin is a recognition for Elon Musk, a Doge devotee. An imperative component that stresses numerous financial backers is that the dogecoin doesn't have a white paper. The cost of dogecoin is right now at $3.30 E7 United States dollars, down 6.63% from its past exchanging volume of $4,035,347. Right now, it is position number 127 on the coin market cap, and it has a live market cap of $182,139,698. Its flowing inventory is 551,465,789,124,062 elon coins, and it has a most extreme stockpile of 1 trillion elon coins. On October 30, 2021, Dogecoin arrived at its record-breaking high of $0.000003. The coin's ongoing stock is 548 trillion, which is more than its whole inventory of 1 quadrillion. Indeed, even with the high volume of dogecoin, it would be difficult for it to accomplish a worth of 1 cent. The central thing worried for some financial backers is that dogecoin has no guide for now, not at all like numerous different monetary forms. It doesn't offer an unmistakable possibility to its financial backers with respect to its use. Subsequently, numerous financial backers have some doubts about putting resources into this coin. The coin has been exchanged for over a year. The cost of the dogecoin coin has seen variances over the past a year, offering financial backers chances to purchase low and sell high. Thus, this crypto coin merits watching out for in the following couple of years. Dogecoin Elon, Value Expectation 2023. Specialists have blended assessments about the crypto market in 2023. Most trust that on the off chance that the negative pattern go on all through 2023, it will keep on coming down on different coins. In any case, there is a decent opportunity that the market will bounce back, and it will assist dogecoin with recovering its worth. We have broke down forecasts from different calculation-based apparatuses and presumed that the normal exchanging cost could remain around $0.00000086 in 2023. In the event that the financial backers gain trust on the lookout, the dogecoin coin's worth can arrive at the greatest degree of $0.00000101. On the other side, the coin's worth can arrive at least degree of $0.00000084 in the event that the market keeps on seeing a negative pattern. Financial backers should remain careful and intently watch the changing elements to trade the dogecoin with impeccable timing. Dogecoin Elon, Value Forecast 2024. Organizations and engineers are consistently attempting to think of various new ventures on blockchain innovation. We saw a quick development in the worth of crypto coins after the send-off of NFTs. Consequently, new ventures can affect the cost of coins like dogecoin. Notwithstanding, these are theories and projections from different specialists. There is no substantial technique that can assist with gauging the dogecoin coin's worth later on. As indicated by our examination of different expectations devices, we anticipate the typical exchanging cost for this coin would be near $0.00000133, all through 2024. The dogecoin coin's cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.00000152, while it can remain at the insignificant degree of $0.000000128. The most crucial thing financial backers need to recall is distinguishing the perfect opportunity to trade a specific time. Recognizing the ideal opportunity to trade the coin is basic to put resources into the short run. You can purchase the crypto coin at a lower cost and sell it at a more exorbitant cost. In a perfect world, contributing for a lengthy period is better, since it can assist you with yielding great returns and save you from regular cost variances. DOGELON Mars Elon Value Forecast 2025. While the DOGELON Mars is an image coin, numerous specialists accept it can see an ascent in esteem in the following couple of years. In the event that it can catch the financial backers' eye, it can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.000000224 by 2025. The coin will remain at a typical cost of $0.000000195 all through 2025. The anticipated Elon cost for DOGELON Mars is around $0.000000191. It is normal to arrive at a high of $0.0000032 toward the finish of 2025. Which is fundamentally high contrasted with the ongoing cost. Given its drawn-out potential, the Elon cost expectation for DOGELON Mars is exceptionally encouraging. DOGELON Mars Elon Long-haul gauge 2030. Since there are no exhibition measurements or fiscal reports to assessing the coin's incentive for 2030 becomes troublesome. In any case, you can find out about the conceivable worth of the DOGELON Mars in 2030. By assessing projections from different cost forecast devices. Cost expectations for DOGELON Mars demonstrate that it will begin at $0.000000161, and an increment is normal soon. Nonetheless, because of its inflationary nature, it has a lot of chance. Just digital currency fans can exploit this coin, and it must be exchanged for a brief time frame. The base Elon value that is supposed to be reached in 2026 is $0.000000151. The value developments of DOGELON Mars can be credited to the different elements that influence its worth, for example, web-based entertainment, publicity, and declarations. History has shown that when images gain far-reaching consideration, they can give financial backers returns. The expectation of the DOGELON Mars Elon cost for 2030 is extremely encouraging. It is normal to arrive at a high of $0.000000413 and turned into a productive venture. As demonstrated in our 2030 cost expectation, the typical gauge is around $0.000000427, with a limit of $0.000000440 for DOGELON Mars. Given its drawn-out potential, the Elon cost expectation for DOGELON Mars is exceptionally encouraging. DOGELON Mars Elon Value Investigation. While a large portion of the coins in the crypto market saw an enormous expansion in esteem in 2021, the case has been the inverse for 2023. Subsequent to arriving at an untouched high in November 2021,